In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated unsecured credit cards specifically designed for bad credit. So without any further ado, let's dive in and find out. On number 1, we have Surge Platinum MasterCard. This card offers an initial credit limit ranging from $300 to $1,000, which can increase with responsible use. Surge also provides free monthly access to your credit score, helping you track improvements. However, it's important to keep note of the high annual fees of around $75 to $125 in the first year. It's an ideal choice for those who can quickly build credit, as the high APR of around 35.99% can make carrying a balance costly. On number 2, we have Credit One Platinum Visa for rebuilding credit. It is one of the few unsecured cards that offer 1% cash back on everyday purchases like gas and groceries. While the initial credit limit is generally $300, Credit One regularly reviews accounts for possible credit limit increases. Plus, you'll pay an annual fee of $75 to $99, with an APR of around 29.24%. So, paying in full, monthly, can save on interest charges. Additionally, you get access to free Experian credit score, making it easier to monitor your progress. On number 3, we have Milestone MasterCard. This card offers an initial credit limit of up to $700, which can help maintain a low credit utilization ratio. The Milestone card is aimed at those with challenging credit histories and has a lower foreign transaction fee, making it travel-friendly for some. However, it has a high APR of around 35.9%, and annual fees can reach up to $175, especially in the first year. Like other cards in this category, using it responsibly is key to building credit without incurring extra costs. Overall, each of these cards serves a specific purpose in credit building for those with limited options. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.